Welcome. Today, we are going to relax and take a trip through the vast expanse of our universe as we explore 10 beautiful galaxies. From the swirling spiral arms of the Milky Way to the distant galaxies beyond, we'll take a closer look at the beauty and complexity of galaxies in this vast universe. So sit back, relax, and join us as we embark on a journey through the stars. Our home galaxy and the start of our journey is the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy consisting of a central bulge, a disk of gas, dust, stars, and a halo of older stars and globular clusters. The Milky Way is estimated to contain around 100 billion stars and is home to many other planets, including potentially habitable ones. The solar system, including Earth, is located in the disk of the Milky Way, about 25,000 light-years from the center of the galaxy and 20 light-years away from the nearest major spiral arm. It has 4 main arms: Orion, Perseus, Scutum Centaurus, and Sagittarius. It is surrounded by a halo of dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up most of the galaxy's mass. As you gaze up, the Milky Way appears as a hazy band of light that runs across the sky. As we leave the familiarity of our home galaxy, we find ourselves traveling to the galaxy closest to us. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy located approximately only 2.5 million light-years from Earth. Yet the light we see from it today left the galaxy around 2.5 million years ago, well before the age of dinosaurs. In fact, the Andromeda Galaxy is moving closer to the Milky Way, and one day, the two galaxies will crash. It is estimated that the Andromeda Galaxy contains around 1 trillion stars and has a supermassive black hole at its center. It spans close to 220,000 light-years across and has a similar structure to the Milky Way, with a central bulge and spiral arms. It has 2 main arms, Andromeda and Perseus, with several smaller arms that encompass the central core. It has a bright and active nucleus, thought to be the result of a collision with a smaller galaxy. As we head out deeper in space, we encounter the Triangulum galaxy. This is a spiral galaxy located approximately 2.8 million light-years from Earth and spans about 60,000 light-years across. It is estimated to contain around 40 billion stars and has a central bar structure, rather than a bulge like the Milky Way and Andromeda. Triangulum has a bright center and many active star-forming regions, which makes it an interesting object for astronomical study. It's also known as a pinwheel galaxy and has a similar shape to the Whirlpool galaxy. As we move past Triangulum, we travel to a galaxy with a different structure to those we have encountered thus far. The Cigar galaxy is a starburst galaxy located in the constellation Ursa Major, about 12 million light-years away from Earth. It's known for its elongated shape and intense star formation, thought to be triggered by an encounter with a neighboring galaxy. It is also home to a supermassive black hole which is thought to have a mass of around 140 million times that of the Sun. The galaxy is also a source of intense radio and X-ray emissions, thought to be caused by the activity of the black hole and intense star formation. As we travel deep into space, we find ourselves in the breathtaking Pinwheel Galaxy. It is a face-on spiral galaxy located in the constellation Ursa Major, about 21 million light-years away from Earth. It is notable for its bright and active nucleus, thought to be from a collision with a smaller galaxy. It has a relatively low level of interstellar dust, a high rate of star formation, and has striking spiral arms with a bright central core. It is also known as one of the largest and most detailed face-on spiral galaxies that can be observed from Earth. In fact, it is one of the most distant objects that can be seen with the naked eye, making it a popular target for amateur astronomers. As we leave the Pinwheel Galaxy, we find ourselves moving towards the beautiful Whirlpool Galaxy. Whirlpool is a grand design spiral galaxy located in the constellation Canes Venatici, about 23 million light-years away from Earth. It is known for its companion galaxy, which is thought to have had a close encounter with Whirlpool and played a role in shaping its spiral structure. It is notable for its bright central core and its two spiral arms that are tightly wound and rich in star-forming regions. It is one of the brightest and most picturesque galaxies visible from Earth, and is often used as a prototypical example of a grand design spiral galaxy. As we leave the spectacular Whirlpool region, we slowly head towards our next destination, the Sombrero Galaxy. It is a lenticular galaxy located in the constellation Virgo, about 31 million light-years away from Earth. Known for its large central bulge and striking dust lane which gives it the distinctive sombrero shape. The galaxy is also home to a supermassive black hole, which is estimated to have a mass of around 1 billion times that of the Sun. Due to this black hole, Sombrero is also a source of intense X-ray and radio emissions. On our journey to the outermost galaxies, we travel through the Virgo cluster. This cluster is located in the constellation Virgo, about 60 million light-years away from Earth. Virgo contains thousands of galaxies. and is thought to contain a large amount of dark matter, which accounts for the high velocities of galaxies within the cluster. It is also a source of intense X-ray and radio emissions, thought to be caused by the activity of multiple black holes. As we journey to find another galaxy much further out in space, we must travel close to 400 light-years away. Tadpole is a spiral galaxy located approximately 420 million light-years from Earth. It is known for its elongated shape and long tail of stars. It is believed to have undergone a recent collision with another galaxy, which likely triggered the formation of its elongated shape and tail. The galaxy is also notable for its high rate of star formation, which is thought to be caused by the presence of a large amount of cold gas and dust in the galaxy's tail. As we leave this unique galaxy, we speed towards our final stop in our journey. Hoag's object is a ring galaxy 600 million light-years from Earth, with a round core and ring of young blue stars. It is known for its lack of interstellar dust and gas. Relatively old, it has a high population of red giant stars in the central core. The galaxy's unusual structure and properties have made it the subject of much study and debate among astronomers. As we travel back to our Milky Way, we are reminded of the vastness and beauty of the universe. The stars twinkle in the distance, their light reaching us after traveling for millions of years. As we journey through spiral arms, we are enveloped in a sense of peace and tranquility. The darkness all-encompassing, the silence deafening, and stars provide a soothing light that guides us home. As we gaze upon the galaxy, we are reminded of our place in the universe. The Milky Way is a reminder of the infinite possibilities that exist and the importance of exploring and understanding it. The galaxy, a symphony of stars, each one shining with its own unique light. A reminder we are all connected, and our actions have an impact on the universe around us. We must remember that we are a tiny part of an infinite universe. And we should take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us.